Cats that swim underwater to catch prey. Cats that are big as prehistoric saber-toothed tigers. Cats that can pluck birds in the air and cats that can walk on desert hot enough to fry and egg. They are all out there in the wild, some in healthy number, but some at the point of extinction. Some wild cat have been received since ancient time and some have been discovered only recently. This documentary is based on telling people the importance of wild cats. There are many people in the world that are constantly hunting, killing and destroying their habitat. Because of this act, many cats have disappeared from our world. Cats in which some are okay, but some are going at the edge of extinction. They all have particular grace and sinuous, latent power that even the humble farmyard teddy can spill, bind and observer, and terrify a potential victim. Some cats come in a variety of sizes, color, but are generally of the same shape, although some are almost weasel-like, and are instantly recognizable as alternative version for domestic cats. They are all members of family called Felidae, which is itself broken down to subfamilies, or genus, although these divisions are subjected to which debate, and taxonomists either lump species together, or split them apart according to personal preferences. It is agreed, however, that species are different when they cannot interbreed to produce fertile offspring, although the lions and tigers can breed to create ligers and tigons. These creatures are different as lions and tiger as separate species. So while the cheetah is only member of Acinonyx genus and the clouded leopard, the sole Neofelis, the Panthera group encompasses all the big cats, lion, tiger, jaguar, leopard, and the feline genes consists most of the other smaller cat, with the handful of other genera covering the remainder. There are other differences apart from breeding incompatibility. Big cats can roar, having a softer hyoid bone in their throat, but can purr only on the outbreath. Small cats have partially hairless nose pads. They feed lying down beside large prey, rather than crouching, and their pupils are slit-shaped rather than round. Apart from elegance and beauty, all cats share a consummate ability to hunt. They are the ultimate carnivores, with high effective eyes and ears, sensitive whiskers, silent feet, perfectly camouflaged coat, sharp claws and teeth, and wonderful coordination, agility and balance. Yet despite such advantages, they have to work very hard for their food and often spend a tiring night on the prowl, sometime when making several fruitless attacks for new rewards. The fact remains true that wildcat, even the smallest one, are impressive, rather frightening killers with an unnerving independence and a disdain for human not found in other wild animal. This special aura has made them obvious choice as earthly representation for powerful gods and the subject of much superstition, mythology, and folklore. The cult of jaguar god, for instance, was central to the Mayan civilization in South America and presented long after the Mayan had gone into decline. Lions and leopard feature regularly in European heraldic coats of arms, and the tiger is synonymous with the vibrant, thrusting economies of Far East. The fat of tigers and lions is still through to cure many illnesses, including earache and andromatism, and the lion was, and probably still is, the source of particular lucky charm for the early people of South Africa. Unfortunately, the lion and its cousin have no such protection against attacks by men, while cats are under threat both directly, being killed for their fur, for trophies and for body parts, and indirectly as their habitat are being eaten away by agricultural industry and their prey has wiped out or drive off. None of the big cats has an entirely safe foothold in an increasingly rapacious world, and conservationists are having to fight an often very ugly war to save them from extinction. The future of the wildcats will be made more secure by greater appreciation, knowledge, and understanding. and it is hoped that this documentary will help contribute to this and allow more people to fall under the spell of these wonderful creatures. If you like this video, then like and share. And for more videos, please subscribe this channel.